Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use a syncing tool that Microsoft came out with to sync your files and create digital backups. So the tool that we're going to be using is called SyncToy. Now SyncToy was an application that Microsoft came out with many years ago and actually stopped support on SyncToy in January of 2021. The reason why is because SyncToy requires a net framework that is currently outdated. However, you can still download the net framework, which I'm doing here from Microsoft's website, and I'll provide a link down below in the description for you. Now, most computers will have this installed on it already, because if you have ever played any outdated games, or if you've played emulators or things like that on your computer, then most of them do require this framework anyway, and sometimes the framework gets updated as Windows updates anyway to, comply with backwards compatibility. But .NET Framework 2 Service Pack 1 is what you are going to need to run this tool. And I understand that there are other applications out there that will do this without the requirement of having .NET Framework 2. However, SyncToy was developed by Microsoft and it works with Microsoft computers. So since it was developed by Microsoft for Microsoft, I think that it's a good, secure platform to use. So once you have .NET Frame 2 installed, you will then go through the process of installing SyncToy, which is fairly straightforward. It first asks if you would like to participate in a product evaluation. All you have to do is say no, and then you can go ahead and start running SyncToy. Now, how SyncToy works is it will copy whatever you have in a source directory and put it into a target directory. So I've already went ahead and set up a source directory and a target directory, and I'm stepping you through the process of how to pick whichever methods that you want to use. There are 3 different methods for choosing to sync. You first have the option of synchronizing. Synchronizing basically means that both folders are identical. So whenever you run SyncToy, it's going to look and see if the source files match up with the target files. It's going to see what the differences are, and it will automatically sync them. Now, this is good if you want to be able to have access to both your target and your source files and then delete things as needed. So you don't want to have backups of certain things, then you can just delete it out of the target and it'll also delete it in the source. I personally don't like this method. Instead, I like the method that is called Echo. Echo basically copies the source file into the target file, and whatever changes in the target file does not actually change the source file. That is the one that I like. Now, contribute is another option. This one, it actually does not delete anything out of the target files. It just simply renames them, so you always keep your files. Now, I personally don't like this because it clogs up the target files a lot, and I just like to make copies of my target file whenever I need to make a secure backup. But these are your 3 options inside of SyncToy to back up your files. So once you have that set up, then you can go in and all you have to do is hit run. And run will go through and it'll automatically sync up all of your files for you and however you have the presets set up. So I just go ahead and hit run, and as you can see, it copies over the files. And I'm going to do a few tests here while I talk about what's going on, and that is how you use SyncToy. Now, I use this to back up all of my desktop. So I have it set up to run my desktop, and whatever changes on there, I have it back up. You can have this set up on a timer where you time it with the Windows applications. You can have Windows application timer set up inside of Windows to run this every so often. You can have this program set up to run every time that you boot up Windows. There's lots of different options for this, but this is a Microsoft approved way to back up your files. All right, thank you all very much. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you like the video and feels helpful, please subscribe to the channel because it really helps us out and it keeps you up to date with all of our content. Thank you all very much. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.